Most Aflac policies come with a benefit that will pay cash directly to you just for being proactive about your health. In this video, you'll learn how to file a claim and get paid for having routine medical care like an annual physical, blood screening, and more. Filing a claim to get this benefit can take as little as 5 minutes. Follow these easy 5 steps after you've had your routine checkup. Step 1. Gather these 3 items: your doctor's contact information, date of your visit, and the health exam you received. Step 2. Log in or register your Aflac account at aflac.com/login. Step 3. Select Submit a Claim. Step 4. Choose a policy, then select Routine Medical Care and complete the steps to file your claim. Don't worry if you aren't sure which one to select. Our claims process checks for eligible benefits across all your policies. Complete the steps and submit your claim. Step 5. Check your email for claim updates. You'll receive a link to the message center to view your claim status. If you've had your policy for several years and have not done this before, guess what? We can pay you for previous years. Learn more at aflac.com/checkups.